Yes, very good morning, guys. Okay, let's get started. So, yes. Hi, Mehul. Good morning.
Hi, good evening.
You registered yesterday, but they didn't say anything to me. I was even checking with them. I said, Mehul said, will so maybe of
Yeah,
last time.
mo yeah, morning 8:30. Yeah, maybe in the night time, like 10:30 around. So I made a payment. So that's why. So
Then
maybe
you should
office
have
will today will
asked
be.
them. No, they would have sent you the today morning. You missed the class.
Yes, yes. That's why I called 1:30, but nobody's picked up my phone.
Oh, it's early morning.
So that's
That's why. Okay.
yeah. So that's why. But how many sessions are completed for 8:30?
So
It's 26
today, no,
January, right?
today also we started session, but only one topic go to special I have completed because just keeping you guys in my mind, I was just going slow. And however, the
Okay.
students are also having doubts. So only one topic is done, not go to special field series. Today we
Okay.
didn't much, but again, I'll take a backup for you. Whatever I can do, I will do it for you. You are getting
Yeah,
recording.
yeah. No problem. Yeah, I'll get it recording. So that's no problem.
Okay.
Office will be
Uh,
sending me, right? For that. So
link you
regular
will
batch
get.
will, yeah, yeah, no problem. But regular batch will be starting 8:30, right?
It's 8:30
From,
only.
yeah, okay, 8:30. But link will be different, I think so.
Link will be different, not the
Okay,
same one.
okay,
Yeah,
no problem.
link would
Thank
be different, obviously.
you. Okay.
So, yes. Uh, Fine. So, yesterday recap, I'll just write here. It's already there. Yesterday, what we discussed about what is data analysis, how you are going to perform data analysis, and why you're going to choose data analysis, right? And course modules, right? How many course modules are there? Job opportunities are there. Guys, just a minute, guys. Okay, fine. So, sorry, there was some discrepancy. So, yes. So, what is we discussed is what is data analysis, how you're going to do, and why you're supposed to join for data analysis. Okay, and then course modules. What are the course modules like? Power BI, SQL, Python, ChatGPT, Git, Excel, all those things. Job opportunities. So job opportunities are what like MIS analyst. If you just learn Excel, you will become MIS analyst, Power BI developer, SQL developer, data analyst, business analyst. Very much clearly I told about job opportunities. I believe packages were not told. That's fine. I'll discuss today. Salary packages, I remember. Course duration, we said 3 months, sometimes more than that. Class timings, let me put it down. Class timings, we have multiple class timings here. So you can choose whatever you want. One is 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. and another one is 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. And again, we have night 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. These are the three things. Okay. So this is a fresh batch, 10:30 to 11:30 we are starting off. So tomorrow also you have demo. From Monday we are starting off. This is from Monday we are starting, right? And this is, I already said we started it, but still I can manage. So same thing, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. also. So whatever the batch, whichever the batch you got enrolled, you can enroll and we are going to help you out. Okay, even flexi batch is given. So in advantages also, if you guys remember, what all we are giving? We are giving a flexi batch access. 1 second. We are giving flexi batch access. Whenever you want, you can, whichever thing you want, you can enroll. Multiple batch access also, and recording session access. So this is also there. This is also there. Then entire learning process flow and then Q&A. Learning process flow also we discussed. You will be having, 1 second, I can show up one more time here itself. So first we cover classroom sessions followed by it assignments. Then you have projects. I discussed about projects also, finance and banking, healthcare, and I also discussed about your e-commerce and retail, right? After the project's completion you will be getting resume building, interview questions, mock interview preparations. You guys are once done with the preparation, then we will assess someone who will go and even give you feedback. If it is good, you can directly go and approach direct placements, or else we will also reschedule the mock interviews based on your performance. Then your placement assistance. So this is what we have discussed, right? After that, I have concluded and given time for your doubts. So I can see few people have already enrolled. Mehul enrolled. That's good. Saurav also enrolled. Okay, ma'am, I want to enroll in a new batch. Okay, Saurav, if it's a very new batch, we have this 10:30 to 11:30 in Monday. Whichever the batch you want, choose it, Saurav.
Okay, ma'am.
So which timings you are good with, Saurav?
I'm okay with 10:30 to 11:30 a.m.
Perfect. So few students have already enrolled, others also. Just look today's, because today we are going to discuss. Yesterday I have given you what is the upcoming batch, right? Today we are going to discuss what is Power BI components, what it is user interface, and practicals on Power BI. That's what we are going to do to build a quick dashboard in 5 minutes. After this, I'll give you time to discuss about your doubts. Okay, that's what we are going to do it today. So let's get started. Let me take again a plain Excel sheet, which is very much comfortable for me. So before that, can you guys tell me what are the steps involved in doing data analysis? What are the steps involved in performing data analysis? Can you guys tell? Amir, Vinay, Mehul, Pooja, Saurav. Do you remember? Okay, first step, I'll give you a clue. First one. Okay, let me give you a clue. The first step here is collection of data. Yes, collection of data. What is this remaining steps? Understanding the business problems, good. After understanding problem only, we do data collection. Right, Pooja? What is the second step? After collecting the data, what are we going to do in our second step? Yes, cleaning data. Perfect. Cleaning is nothing but your transformation of data. Perfectly good. After you do transformation data cleaning by removing null values, errors, and all. What is the third point, guys? Mehul said clean data transformation. Very good. ETL comes under your data transformation itself. Then what? Data validation. Mm-hmm. Analyzation is correct, but that is your fourth point. Analyzing is fourth point, Pooja. So whatever the points you remember, tell me. 6 points are there? Yeah. Remaining, I'll take care. After analyzing, what you do, guys do. Mehul, Vinay, Pooja, you guys are going good because out of 1 hour session, right? This topic you are remembering is really good. Saurav, Amir. Okay. I'll take up from here. Guys, don't worry. This is good enough. So, visualization. Perfect, Pooja. You're doing great. Visualization. Correct. So, the third step we have here is data modeling. Remember, what is data modeling? Having a relationship between multiple tables with using a common column is known as your data modeling. Then we analyze, give solutions to the business problem by using DAX or something like that. Then we go and put it in a pictorial representation that is known as your visualization. And finally, what we are going to do once the dashboard is with us, we are going to publish it. We are going to publish it. Okay. Hi, Shrikant. Welcome. Can I know this is the day when you're joining demo? Is it the day when you're joining? So if someone is joining on a today only, please note we have completed demo yesterday session also. Okay, yesterday also we have completed. So today is your day two. We already took a recap. So now what I wanted you guys to do is please go to the yesterday's recording. Whosoever are new joining, please go to the yesterday's recording. Okay. So these are the steps I explained you yesterday, and we are very much clear. Now let me go and talk about Power BI components. Okay, guys. I'm going to tell you Power BI components. Okay, then your Power BI user interface. Power BI user interface. Okay, let me talk about components first. So the first component in Power BI you have here is Power Query. The first component you have here is Power Query. What is Power Query? Right. Power Query is basically known as your ETL tool. So within Power BI, you have ETL, that is Power Query. So what does it will do is it gonna do extract, transform, and load. Let me not give a comma. I'll just put like this. Extract, transform, and load. So cleaning, extracting, collecting, everything is done in the Power Query here. Everything is done in the Power Query here. At the same time, it in this Power Query, it is going to use a language called M query, M language. M language. So Power Query is a tool. It is known as a ETL, which can do transformation, collections, and even it can load data into Power BI desktop. Then you have here is Power Pivot. What is Power Pivot? In Power Pivot, we basically try to give solutions to the business problems by using what? DAX. So what is DAX now? DAX is a programming language of this Power BI, which will assist you to give perfect solution to the end user, right? So the full form of it is nothing but data analysis expression. The full form of it is nothing but data analysis expression. And Power Pivot is not only going to do a DAX, but it is also going to perform what? Data modeling. It is also going to do what? Data modeling. So that is your Power Pivot. Power Pivot is having DAX, which will help you to give solutions. At the same time, modeling is also done in the same component, right? Then you have your Power View. Then what you have? Power View. So in Power View, what you will be having the data which is in the form of a pictorial representation. Means, for example, they build charts, graphs, also they build many like slices, cards, buttons, dashboards. Everything is built here, which is in the form, which is indirectly saying a visualization that is done in your Power View. And finally, you have here is Power BI services. What are we having? A Power BI services. This is a cloud platform where you go and publish your dashboard there. So from there, end user can access it. And Power BI services is a different user interface from your Power BI desktop. So it is basically known as your Power BI. It is basically known for your publishing purpose, and even it is also useful for collaboration purpose. You can collaborate with each and other employees, and you can work together using this Power BI services. Okay. Then you have two components. One is your Power BI desktop only, sorry, two user interfaces. One is your Power BI desktop and another one is your Power BI services. So guys, within this Power BI desktop, you can do all these 5 steps. When I say you can do all these 5 steps, all these 3 components belongs to this Power BI desktop only. All these 3 components belongs to Power BI desktop only. And coming to this Power BI services, it's a different user interface which have this Power BI services in it. So let me go and connect each and every point so that you will be understanding much more better about the data. Just a minute. Let me take this and annotate for you guys. Okay. So using Power Query, you can collect data and you can even transform the data. Using Power Query, you can collect data and even can transform the data. Using Power Pivot, we can build data modeling and we can also give solutions to the business problems. That means analyzing is also done using Power Pivot. Then using Power View, you can go and do your visualization. Right? Using Power View, you can go and do your visualization. And Power BI services is known for your publishing and your collaboration purpose. Correct. So now this components, right? This Power Query belongs to Power BI desktop. Power Pivot belongs to Power BI desktop. Power View also belongs to your Power BI desktop. You are able to see these components in your desktop. Then you have cloud. This cloud is equal to this Power BI services. I mean, Power BI services is equal to a Power BI services. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Let me take a pause and tell me any point you are having a doubt, everyone. Yes, I can see only Vinay is saying, ma'am, we understood. What about Amir? Mehul understood. Good. What happened to you, Amir? Pooja, Saurav, and Shrikant. Any doubts, guys? All
No.
good. No
Yeah.
doubts. So I can take yes from everyone so I can get into the next topic. Interesting topic. It's a practicals now, guys. Okay, yes, ma'am. No doubts. Very good. So let me clear off this. So going back to my notepad. So what I said, components and user interface done. Now it's about practicals in your Power BI. How do you going to do a practicals in your Power BI? So we are going to build what? Quick dashboard within 5 minutes. So for that, what we are going to do here is, let me take it off. Okay. So first thing, we'll plan our data source. So the data source we are going to use here is a flat file called Excel. Excel sheet. It's a flat file we are using. We can use anything. SQL, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. You can use many things, right? But CSV file also you can use. But I am using my data source for today's demo, Excel file. It's easy to understand. Then I am going and taking a database. The database name here is um, sample superstore. It's a beautiful data set where you get everything inside into it. So for the beginners level, you should always start with the sample superstore or global superstore. Then later on, you can get upgraded with the data sets as well. Of course, we are going to deal with 10, 20 data sets while performing DAX. This is for sure. Different data sets here we are going to use. We are going to learn and enjoy it a lot. But now for today's demo, I'm using a database called sample superstore. Okay. Then you have here is next the tool I'm going to use here is Power BI Desktop. What is the tool name? Power BI Desktop. Okay. Then inside this desktop, only I'm using one feature. The feature name is Q&A. What is this Q&A? Q&A is nothing but it is your it acts like a AI of this Power BI desktop. Like AI of this Power BI desktop, which will assist you a lot for whatever you are in need of. Okay, so that is what by using all this, we are going to build a quick dashboard. So before that, Pooja is asking me, ma'am, can you please explain services once again? Okay, so Pooja, what is a Power BI services here? Okay, going back to Excel sheet again, the Power BI services will do only this part, last part. Okay, Power BI services can see when you build a report where you build a report in desktop. Once you build a report here, what you'll do, desktop is in your local system, right? What you'll do, you go and publish dashboard from your desktop to your services. So that is something you can go and give access. For example, I'm going and giving publishing to services, and you belongs to the same organization. If you also wanted to view that in your system along with this Power BI services, you can access if I'm giving you access according to your mail ID or whatever it is. Okay, that is again your office mail ID. So collaboration purpose, sharing purpose, publishing purpose, the services are useful. It is completely related to the real time puja. Got it? Got it now? Very good. So you understood. That's great. So guys, going back to this notepad again. Where is this notepad? So let me again tell you. Data source I'm using Excel. Database is sample superstore. Tool I'm using Power BI desktop and feature is Q&A. Feature is Q&A. Okay. So now let me do what? Let me go and open a new Power BI desktop and do this, and then we'll come back and decide our KPIs. At least we'll do all this and let me explain you what it is. Okay, so first I'll open a tool. In this tool, I'll go and get this data source with a database called sample superstore. What I'll do, I'll open tool called Power BI desktop. I use a data source called Excel, and I go and get what? Sample superstore. Fine. So how do you open your Power BI desktop tool? You just browse your Power BI desktop. This is how it will be there. Double click on it. It's opening. Blank report. So 1 second. What happened to this primary desktop? Just a moment, guys. Okay, it's just loaded now. Maybe a lot of files. So when you open, this is how it will look like. When you open, this is how it will look like. And of course, I'm not going to take a entire walkthrough of what is this, and all, just because we are running out of time, right? So when class gets started, then I'll explain what is this visualization, filter pane, data pane, all this you will have an explanation. So at this point, just one thing to be noted is this is known as your canvas. It's a place where you build your visuals. This is known as what? Your canvas. It's a place where you build your visuals and you perform your visualization. Dashboard building is done in this place. Okay. Now let's go and get data. So from here, I'm going to get my data. You can see multiple data sources, common data sources, but among them, I'm using my Excel workbook because I already said my data source is Excel workbook. I'll click on it. And then the file name, what is the database name? Database name is nothing but sample superstore. Once again. Okay. Sample superstore. Dot XLS means your Excel file. I'm getting this sample superstore. We'll have a preview reading about this database as well. One second. So among this, I just choose one table or this table, which is really good enough for today's demo. So it is evaluating. You guys can see the preview is here. Row ID, order, date, everything is here. Okay. And after I load, I'll explain about this data. So guys, this is already cleansed data set. Means no more further cleaning is required. This is ready to analyze and ready to visualize. So now in today's session, we are going to perform visualization. We are going to build a quick dashboard. So for that, I took this data set. So when I say load, it will go and load where Power BI desktop. And that is the place where I'm going to build my visual, right? But if you really need any cleaning, then you go transform. Transform will take to where Power Query. Okay, but we are not getting into cleaning now. We are just loading and getting the output. So that is why I say load. It is getting loaded. Okay. Now you have orders columns here. Okay. So let's read about little bit about this data. For that, you should go with this table view. So when you go with this table view, very much clearly all the information with the columns and records are given here. So if you see first it is given with row ID, then if you can see it has given some orders details, right? Order ID, order date. So it has given what? Orders details. Then it has given even shipping details, like when it will get shipped, at what day it is arriving and everything. The shipping details also it has given. Then if you see, it has given customer ID, customer name, and they belongs to which segment. This customer belongs to which segment. So it also given a customer details. It also given a customer details. After this, After this, if I just scroll to the right, if I scroll to the right after this segment, you can see it has given everything related to place, like, country, city, state, postal code, region, all this word related to place. I can put it as a location details. All this has given a location details. After that, it also given product ID let me just drag it a little bit right. So it also given product ID, category, subcategory, and product name. Okay, product ID, category, subcategory, product name means all these four columns related to what? Product data. Product data. Then after that, if I just scroll to the right, it has finally given your measure values, fact values, like what is sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So we can call it as a measure value or fact values, like related to calculations. So basically, in real time, when data set is very much huge, you have to deal with lakhs of or millions of data. These tables can be divided into multiples and we perform a join. But here we have only 10,194 rows, only 10,194 rows. So it was able to arrange and manage in one table. So where here you have orders data, ship data, customer data, location related data, products, and fact table. Fact is like your measures like sales, quantity, discount, and so on. Right. So this is about your data, guys. Now, based on this data, I wanted to do sales analysis dashboard. What I wanted to do? Sales analysis dashboard. Maybe I wanted to see category wise sales, subcategory wise sales, month wise sales, area wise sales, anything. Whatever I wanted, I choose and I prepare a KPIs and I'm ready to do the dashboard. Okay. Understood? Are we ready now, everyone? So far it's clear? So far it's clear?
Yeah.
Amir and Mehul said yes. What about others? Pooja, Saurav. We are good? Shrikant? Okay. And yesterday's recording was also uploaded in the chat box. Guys, whosoever are new joining, please go and take it. Okay, fine. Now let's get started. Before we prepare, let's go and understand what is the requirement. So basically, the requirement the business will do, but here I am only deciding based on this. I'm only deciding for our this purpose. So we are going to learn what we are going to do. First title is Sales Analysis Dashboard. Once again, Sales Analysis Dashboard. Okay. Then, um, then what I wanted, my first KPI, I wanted like this, region-wise sales. I wanted to see in a percentages. So then what I do, I choose pie chart. Okay. Which region is good? I wanted to use pie chart. Then I wanted category-wise sales. I wanted to compare each category. I wanted to do what? Compare each category. So for comparison purpose, I might choose bar chart. I might choose bar or column chart. Then I am going with subcategory wise sales. Here, I simply putting it in your funnel chart. Simply putting it in a funnel chart. Then also something related to one column, that is your month, I mean date column. So among that, I am extracting this month wise sales. So basically anything related to dates, we use line chart, but here to show data in a volume, I am choosing a area chart. Okay. So my requirement, I have already putting it region wise sales in pie, bar, funnel, and all. At the same time, I also wanted to build some cards, total cards. I wanted to see like what is total sales and all that. I just wanted to put in a cards. So that is nothing but total sales, profit in a single aggregated value, quantity, and the leftover is discount. So all this in cards I wanted to see. slicers and also everything will be there, but I'm not just putting at this point. So this is what my requirement along with title and all. Okay, now our time is here 10:10, right? So 10:10 we are starting. We'll focus to do it within 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. Let's see how things will go. Okay, so I'm going back to my Power BI desktop. This is the requirement. So I already know about this requirement. I can be more faster. So what feature we are using? We are using a Q&A feature. How do you generate the Q&A onto this canvas anywhere? You just double click onto this canvas anywhere you double click. So what is Q&A? It acts like a AI of this Power BI desktop, which will help you to manage and give the solution whatever it know out of your whatever you browse. Okay, so just put your keywords. First one is region wise sales, right? Say region sales and say pie chart. That's it. Say region, sales, pie chart, search for it. Automatically, what is going to happen is it is going to give you the chat. 1 second, guys. Yeah, it is preparing a chat. See, the pie chart is up. We didn't do anything manually, right? We just said region sales and all. So you go and pin this result to this canvas. Okay. Now, what is the second chart you wanted? The second chart we wanted category wise sales. So you say category, keyword should be correct. Sales and bar chart. Bar chart, right? So you go and search for it. Automatically it has built your bar chart, and make sure you pin it. Make sure you pin it. Okay, fine. And then what you want? You want a funnel chart, right? Funnel or any other chart. So, see, this two, we did a double click, right? The second method of getting here is you go and click on a Q&A from your visualization. This is the second method. Go get, automatically it will come. Okay. So what we wanted next, subcategory wise sales, right? Subcategory sales. Okay, which chart? I didn't say it automatically took a bar, but you say I need a funnel. Just search and you got your funnel chart. Go and pin it. Go and pin it. Okay, fine. Then you have what? Area chart. You have what? Area chart. So first method I double click. Second method I took from here. Third method also we have. What is the third method? Is control plus forward slash. So what I did control plus forward slash. So control plus forward slash will go and give you a Q&A. So these are the three methods to get your Q&A. So let me just drag this here. Little bit space I'll make. Okay. Now what I want here is I wanted to go with my month wise sales. So I'll say month sales and area chart. Okay. Perfect. Pin it, and yes, you got your area chart. Everything is ready. Okay. And what is there next? Cards, total cards, right? Go watch your notepad one more time. So we are done with this four things, right? Till from here to here. This region, this everything. Now we'll go cards. For cards, Q&A is not required. It's very easy. Just go here and get card from your visualization. It's a one step, right? So we are having a time constraints. Within 5 minutes, your manager has to do. So we are going to do it. So what you're going to do here is copy this and paste it 3 times more. Just keep it like this, side by side. Okay. So the first one you have here is sales. Okay. The second one is profit. Go and browse and get it like this. Very simple. The third one is what? Quantity. Even Q&A will give this, but the other method also I'm telling you. And last one is your discount. Perfect. My cards are also ready. And left is my title. In title, go to Home tab. In Home tab, you have a text box. Click on it and see it is nothing but your sales analysis dashboard. Do a control A in the center, bold, and increase this to 28. Okay. And just go and drag it here. Go and drag it here. Perfect. You can see here. You can see this sales analysis dashboard. Now what you guys do here, go to view tab and go here and just click on this one because I can do a manual formatting. I don't have time. It's already 10:16 minutes, 5 minutes passed. So what I'll do, I'll go just choose this color, anything from out of this, and yes, your dashboard is ready. See, your quick dashboard is ready within 5 to 6 minutes. We did it in 6 minutes. Yes. Feeling excited? Understood? Liked it, guys? Everyone?
Yeah.
Only Amir liked it. What about others? It's not like everything is going to be so much easy like this, but we can also do like this. That's what I mean. We can do like this also. And yes, of course, we have many things where the time involving. To the manual kind of traditional dashboard, for me, it can go take 20 minutes, sometimes even 40 minutes, depending upon DAX output and all. So with the experience, you can reduce the time. So I think yesterday I didn't show you visuals. So let me go visualization here. 5 minutes I'll talk about something and then I'll give you time to ask your doubts, guys. Saurabh, it is from Monday for 10:30 batch. Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Demo, Saurabh. From Monday it is getting started. So
Okay,
whatever
ma'am.
topics I'm teaching now is also important for you, right? Yeah. So if I go here to the index, you can see this many charts are there, 30 plus charts I'm telling you. Basic, what is tagged, basic, what is clustered column, 100% line area. And if you wanted to go more and more advanced level, for example, if I go with this dynamic XY axis, you guys can see here, the X is having 5, Y is having 4. What? This is are the 5 attributes, 4 attributes here. So 5 fours are 20 charts you're able to see here. Let's see. So I click on country and I click on total COGS. It is showing total COGS by country. COGS is nothing but cost of goods sold. Then total profit by country. See, the data is getting changed. Total sales by country, total units sold by country. Again, you go with month name. Okay. Total COGS by month name, profit by month name, sales, and so on. So maybe go with product. See, total COGS by product, profit by product, sales by product. So, like that, 5 fours are 20 charts I'm able to see here. How much storage you're saving and how much happy your manager will be. You're trying to impress him with your work. So we are telling you very much advanced level, at least 3 to 5 years of knowledge you will get. Then if you go and see, if it is a manual tooltip, like this, it will read about the data. Okay, the sales is this much, quantity is this much, profit is this much. Just what is there in your X and Y axis. But if you go to custom tooltip, no, I have customized this, how it is going to show you chart over the chart. So let me go read something here. See, Washington. The state is Washington. The profit is 33.4K. Sales is 138.6K. And profit by category is this one. Okay. in a pie chart. So this is what it is. So for this, we manage doing more. 1 second, just a moment, guys. Yeah. We manage doing like, we separately take a tooltip and we attach it to this customer. Though in x-axis, y-axis, you don't have all that profit, sales, and profit by category. Can you see the profit by category, which is there in a donut chart in percentages? You can go and do it. Okay, you can go and do it. Fine. And again, apart from this, what you have is, 1 second. More if I have to show you. I'll show you about toggle also. 1 second. Yes. So within this space, if I click on a back button, you're able to see profit by product, and I reset, you're able to see sales by product. So in dashboard also, if it is not, they might ask you lot many KPIs and they wanted to put it in the same dashboard. If it is not sufficient, you can use this method, toggle method. For this, we use many things like bookmark selections. We did many things and we perform it. It's not very easy and it's not very tough also. So how the normal dashboard looks like with a perfect design and perfect everything is, um, this is dashboard. Yeah, dashboard is here. This is how the normal dashboard looks like, proper title, cards, and see slicers also there. If I click on enterprise, data is going as per enterprise. I click on government, mid markets. So that's how the data is going on. With a 3D, with the proper borders and home buttons, doing conditional formatting, giving the detailed list in a matrix. So proper, it might go take 1 hour class for explanation whenever tomorrow dashboard topic is there. So planning about dashboard and building a dashboard. So this is what we are going to learn in future, guys. Coming to chats and coming to DAX, technical part, right? I'll go and show you DAX also. I am not going to just give you sample superstore or financial data set. Go and do on this. No, I am going to give you different data sets with 100 plus DAX. If I go here, calculate formula is there. Within calculate, another example is there. Calendar. Within calendar, another example. Again, what is calendar auto? Difference between calendar and calendar thing. Category count. Like there's many scenarios also we are going to look into it. See, all these are nothing but DAX. So it's not only this many tables you have, this much is DAX. No, this is only table DAX within table DAX. See, for example, summarize. Summarize is there. In summarize, one more example, and what is summarize columns and difference between them. So like that, we are going to get into two depth also. For example, if you go this table here itself, right? We have many DAX. See, whatever you are able to see this is known as a DAX. The normal column looks like this, but this is a DAX. Like this, we are going to learn many. And it has first, I'll break down, I'll make you understand what it is. Like this. Different types of DAX, what is column, measure, table, quick measure. They are into what are the different types of everything, step by step with lot many formulas and scenarios, moving average, how to take last 7 days data, all this year over year. KPIs we are going to learn. Yeah, that's all from my side. And guys, you have time to talk. Please go and talk. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Pooja. Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. So my question is, ma'am, can you tell me the step-by-step explanation means uh, when we do the actual work, then from where we get the Excel sheet or the data, and first or or do we have to create that Excel sheet or database? You can say
No, yesterday session you didn't attend it, Pooja.
no.
Okay, that is the problem. Yesterday, very much clearly, I told you from where you collect the data and how do you clean the data. So, we basically took 20 minutes to understand the steps. So, see, what Here we understand what is data analysis. See, these are the steps. So I said, what is data warehouse? From where you collect the data. Like data warehouse is a place where it will have multiple tables stored. That is your client details. From there, you'll collect data looking at this business required BRD. So I was explaining it very much better. How do you collect? After that, what you're going to do? You clean it, like remove null values, errors, duplicates. Then what you do a building a relationship. How do you build? Here also we see at least 10 minutes on this data modeling, 5 to 10 minutes. Then analyzing, how do you give a solution to the business problems? After the solution is given, how do you put it in a pictorial representation? Then publishing. All this, including your data warehouse terms, data sources, tables, views, everything was taken care in yesterday's session. So I request you to go through that recording. What do you say, Pooja?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, because it will go take another 20 minutes if I explain you very much.
Yeah.
So already it is ready, and that recording is important for you. So I'm just going and resharing it one more time. So you guys supposed to go through it. Okay, you guys supposed to go through it and try to understand. And don't worry, Pooja, you go through it. Tomorrow also we have a three free demo session. One more demo session. So today it's all about practicals and it's about your Power BI, right? Tomorrow, so you have a see 1 hour 2 minutes class yesterday session by me. So you go watch this recording and let me talk about tomorrow's session also so that from my side it will get over and I can happily give you guys time. Day 3. So after Power BI, the important topic is what? SQL, right? So tomorrow we are going to understand what is SQL, what is MySQL, and difference between them. Okay. Then we are also going to understand what is SQL commands. It can be completely your theory, but interesting. And what is SQL background mechanism? How does the background mechanism work? So this is what tomorrow we are going to do. After that, still you have a time for asking your doubts, Q&A. 3 days we are giving time to ask your Q&A. Okay, so something you asked, we have already covered in day 1, Pooja. Apart from that, if you have anything, please let me know, guys.
Ma'am, can you tell me what are the steps when we have to use a Power BI, when we have to use SQL, Excel, like that? Uh, which after what we have to use first and what we have to use next?
So it's not like that. Have
While
you
doing the actual work in company.
Right. So what you assume is not like that really, because most of the students don't know and they are confused. So let me tell you, yesterday we were talking about these modules also, right? These are the modules, right? So when I said if you complete only Excel, you can go and become a MIS analyst. Means within Excel, you can perform those 6 steps. Your visualization, your analyzing, you're getting data. In Excel also, you have get data. See, I go your data and you can get data from other sources. Okay. So you can integrate with other data sources also. But Excel can be also one of the data source for your Power BI. So it's not like that this is only a data source, from here only you will get it, because different organizations use different things. My organization used MySQL as a data source. Okay. Before that, we used, later on, we used Snowflake, a data warehouse. It can be anything. But one thing is, in Excel, you can perform all 6 steps. In Power BI, also you can all 6 steps. But SQL is only for your programming. It doesn't support for your what you call visualization. SQL doesn't support. But here we do joins, we build queries, and it's gonna be a very good, like maybe mostly, see, I'm not saying this is the use case, but mostly MySQL will act like a data source for Power BI. Okay, people will go with Power BI with SQL. Why? It's most of the cases. 80 to 90% companies follow it. So actual data resides here. So whenever you get data from MySQL, you even write a queries and you can get into your Power BI desktop for further modeling and for further visualization. So that's how it will be. But in SQL, you cannot complete entire 6 steps. Okay. Then coming to Python, also you complete entire 6 steps. You can also integrate Python with Power BI as well, right? So this is added tools like supporting tools. You can ignore it. Understood about these tools now? Only SQL will not support last step, that is your visualization, but other tools will support all these steps. Clear, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. Means um,
So in
most
my
of the.
organization, I'll tell you,
Mm.
SQL, in my organization, I used it as a data source. Okay. Power BI is for analyzing and visualization purpose. But it's not every organization will follow this. I'm telling you that also because I don't want to give you guys a wrong picture out of it. And Excel we used for testing purpose, and if anything is wrong, we go and even analyze in testing in Excel by using Power Pivot, Pivot and Power Pivot. Okay, so this is what we were doing in our time. And Python we use whenever we wanted to do in-depth cleaning for performance issues, and also for because it is a fast performance when you compare to other tools like get data and all we do there. So this is what we did in my organization right now. I we converted we migrated reports from Tableau to Power BI. So I have very good knowledge in Tableau. Initially few years I worked on Tableau, later on I have migrated it to a Power BI. So how that's out of my experience. Now the Tableau is outdated. Many companies are doing this migrations with Power BI, so that's why the courses are designed like this. So this is from my side. I designed this course. Clear, Pooja?
Mm. Yeah, ma'am. Clear. But ma'am, that means most of the work we have to do on Power BI, right?
Exactly.
Okay, and
80%
other
is your
than
Power BI.
Power BI means like Advanced Excel, MySQL, Python,
SQL also,
Git,
correct.
ChatGPT. There are means limited work is there, and we have to integrate that things with the Power BI.
Correct, correct. You're
Oh,
absolutely right.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Now I got it.
That's good.
And
So,
ma'am,
but
one more
you
thing.
go to yesterday's recording, please. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, okay, ma'am. And one more thing, ma'am. Uh, Ma'am, that you showed that the charts are there means. Can you tell me for which purpose we use which chart means funnel chart, pie chart, bar chart means.
Yes. So for that, you will have a clear explanation if you go here. In day one demo, today itself, I cannot actually explain about because we have many chats. So if you go to my index, see, first we were discussing about stacked bar chart, stacked bar or column and clustered bar or column. So we'll put side by side. Let's understand what is this clustered, what is this stacked. Okay, and we go with 100% stacked bar chart. At what time? See, we are using different things. But why this 100% stacked bar chart is important and what is the normal stacked bar chart here? Okay, so let me remove
Ma'am, can
this.
you open the notepad once?
Okay, 1 second. Just a moment. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, here you write that for region-wise cells we will use pie chart. For category-wise cells we use bar chart. Like this. But why for region-wise cells we use only pie chart or there
That's
is.
what I'm saying, Pooja.
Mm.
In regular sessions, we'll start with this. So, for example, for this, if I have to tell you, pie chart is mostly useful for doing percentages. Now, if I go to my quick dashboard, right, in pie chart, you can see the percentages, right?
Yeah.
So you can see, for example, let me, do one thing. It's a black looking, when proper formatting is not done, just I'll put like this. So you can see here, which region is going good? This one, right? 739. This is giving good, 31.8 percentage. So we are using pie chart to understand which is doing good and which is very less. So according to this one, we can see this region is doing less, south is doing less, 16.84 percentage. Others are fine. 31 is highest, 29, and this are medium, and this is doing less, like 16.84% is doing less. So what happens when you go and deliver this dashboard to the end user? Because he asked this, he wanted to see region-wise sales, that in he wanted to see in percentages. So then you go for pie chart. So what happens when he checked this and he understand, okay, my south is not doing good. What should I do? Should I perform some customer survey, or should I maintain the stock according to the customer preferences? Do change branding? Whatever requirements are there, he will take it. He do a decision making only when he look at this chart, right? So you should able to understand. Okay, he asked percentages, right? I'll go with a pie chart. He wanted a comparison, right? I go with the categories, this bar chart or column chart. So you'll get explanation. See, we are going to cover all these charts. We are going to understand the difference between table, matrix. Table is being your raw data, unpivot and pivot. What is the difference? How do you analyze? Everything we understand, right? So one after the other. For visualization only, it will take many things. Why you have to choose this chart? That's how I'm going to start visualization. Got it, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have one more question, but not about the syllabus. Uh,
Oh,
Ma'am, actually, one of my friend is there. Actually, he
sorry, Pooja.
was trying.
Your voice is breaking.
Can- Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Uh, One of my friend is trying to get a job in IT field, ma'am. He's trying in a Java domain, and from the last, actually, from he passed out, he did a courses regarding that, and but he didn't get a job till now, and it's like now 4 to 5 years happened to
Oh,
this. Still, he's
yeah.
trying, but he's not getting a job. So yeah, he got first frustrated and.
Yeah, Java, right? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
We
So
discussed
now he
about the
wanted to
past.
switch the,
Yeah.
yeah. So Java
No, he
is
was trying.
yeah.
He was also. मतलब, we discussed about data analyst or other fields also. But yeah, and I told him that I'm attending the demos of data analyst by you, and he asked me that means asked the question to ma'am this like by means by analyzing his situation and after the 4 to 5 years, can he switch to data analyst? Means it is easier than the Java and till now he didn't get a job, so he don't have any experience. So can he switch to data analyst and get a job in industry?
Okay, yes. See, Java is a coding, right? And this is very easy than that. It's more easy than that. He can easily switch. Most of them means because he didn't get a job, he's planning to switch. That's good. But there are few people who is already a developer who is doing a full stack development coding, and they're stressed and burst out of this coding, and they also came join this data analysis because almost, I don't say it's equal package, almost you're getting same amount here, but lot of the stress is reduced. So that's even my reason I chose non-coding. So he will definitely get a job because we have some interview sessions, we assist students based on their background biography. If they are having a gap, how to fill that gap, like giving internship certificates, or maybe letting if they can manage and say they are a freelancer, or maybe if this is also not possible, he did some business and getting switched, something like that. We'll try in a multiple ways if there is a gap, especially for women, pregnant women after delivery, they'll take a gap. How can they also get the job? So this program is not only teaching technical things and leaving, but this program is also focused on placements. Like we assist you based on your background. So for that we have separate interview session. We go take and just guide you guys what to do, how to do. Then it will definitely help. But when you compare with Java, this is easy to learn. He can easily grasp things just like that, and he can get a job too. And it has a very good opportunities in the market. And I might have not told this yesterday, but now the financial year, right? March is a financial year, the closing period, and you will get a next so many openings after March, April, May. You get so many openings. Now, if you guys start off now, you are on a right time to get a job. Sometimes are freezing period. Last December is freezing. Entire UK, US, they shut down just because Christmas and all. So it's a freezing period. Now openings will start after this financial period, Feb, March, April. So while doing their closings, they go for hiring. So it's a right time for you guys to complete the course by then, and then you can start applying for a job. Clear?
Clear, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I wanted to ask you about myself also. Actually, we both are passed out from same batch, and uh, after passing out, I also did courses in Java, and
So
I also did courses, ma'am, related to Java. Hello.
okay. Okay,
Yeah.
you also did Java, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, but after that, we didn't completed the full courses. And then lockdown came, and in that lockdown, 1 to 2 years means you know what happened. So in the 2 years,
Mm.
I didn't able to continue my classes, or because of the faculty's batches are over, and there was a time to start the new batches. And after that, I tried to join the classes, but according to some financial issue, I need to join a job. I actually I have did a job in a non-technical field, and
Mm-hmm. How many
yeah,
years experience do you have?
it's actually in an insurance company. Actually, it's not technical completely.
No
It's like
problem.
three.
Non-IT also, how many years?
It's about 3 years.
3 years. Not bad. So, fine. Because you have a experience. So, are you still working, Pooja?
No, ma'am. Actually, I have left the job, and now all the things are settled. So, I was trying to, means I was thinking that can I try in IT now?
Yeah, you can
Can I
try,
get
Pooja.
the job?
Completely, you can try. If you have a genuine papers about that insurance company, wherever you have worked, just you can also add that experience and say you did a project in insurance. I can also provide you one insurance project for you if it is required for you personally. You can add those terms and convert your terms into IT terms using these tools like Power BI, Excel, SQL, and all. We prepare a beautiful resume, a standard resume for you so that you can go and get a job. And how many years gap you have after that job?
After the job, like it's now one year.
Sorry, 1 year. So you can see this 1 year you're preparing, you're upgrading yourself more, or maybe this 1 year you have to take rest for some reason. So they are not going to look into 6 months, 1 year, even 1.5 year. We can happily go into it. So what I wanted is if you are free, you attend, if possible, attend multiple batches also, try to get it done. Be ready after this financial year because job will be on in your bucket for sure. Pooja. Because you are free now, you can concentrate and learn many things. More than what I teach, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am, but actually, uh, I heard about his experience, my friend's experience, and I literally know man how much he got frustrated from learning Java, and all my other friends also are they are sharing their experiences means how they are frustrated by doing the coding work, and they are frustrated by doing coding. They don't want to code anymore.
Yes.
Yeah,
I
as you
know.
said earlier, yeah,
It
that's
happens, Pooja. It will happen. I have seen
huh.
many of the students, but here you will enjoy the course. You will not get frustration for sure. To join this course, there is no prerequisites, and each and every moment you will enjoy it. This is what I
Ma'am,
want. So,
As
so this is it.
as I
Yeah,
as I
sorry.
have not as I don't have any technical experience, I just have non-technical experience. So the company will consider it non-technical experience, my
That's what
non-technical
I
experience.
already told you, right? Your experience will convert the terms so that you will get a good package. If you start as a fresher, your package is going to be very less. So we convert those 3 years into a technical terms, and this gap also something, some projects, freelancing, something will do so that you will get a good package. And out of my course, you will definitely get 3 to 5 years experience. And this course is very easy to understand. As days goes on, little bit advanced level will come, but each and every advanced topics I'll try to make you guys look easy for you so that you'll not get frustrated. Coding is different, I know, even I didn't choose that. See, my um how I am able to earn very good money today is I keep on upgrading the tools within this data analysis only. So basically, after data analysis, it is data science, then your AI, engineer and AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and everything. But I just didn't went to that side because I am a committed to many things. For me, if I'm not committed, I'm okay. I have a baby, I have committed to houseworks, I've committed to trainings, and I love taking trainings. I'm happy earning here also. So I'm committed to many work. So what I was doing is I'm keep on upgrading within this. Here itself, I can go and become, I'm a manager too. You can go and become a manager. You can upgrade to business analyst. Many things here only related to data and management. I upgraded and my package is really good today. I'm satisfied. So that's what you can do. It's not very necessary in IT. If you know coding only, you will get good package. It's a myth. Okay.
Madam, I have one question. Are you working in the real-time company or only training?
No, no, no. I'm working
Okay,
professional.
in the
I work
company. Okay.
in
O-
company also.
Okay,
So
so you have real-time experience
work,
for
that's what
project
I'm saying.
sharing.
I work
Okay.
there. I
Yeah.
work there. I do give trainings and I manage my home too.
Okay,
So
okay.
possible when whatever the work you are satisfied. I'm
Yeah, that is true. Be
satisfied.
positive. We should have to be positive. Yeah, I also coming from the developer background, so that's I know that go with basic to advanced level. And in IT field, any kind of technology, whatever you learn, so that is worth is not going to be like if someone knows the Java, so easily they can manage Python. Someone knows the C++, easily manage. They can any language.
See, I am
Yeah,
also going to teach you Python here, right?
yeah, that is
But
true.
still, I wanted to tell you guys, Python is a coding. If you
Yeah.
again go to data science, means for Pooja, same kind of frustration she will face because I know how data scientists will code because I have a knowledge about it as well. But for Pooja and her friend, it's gonna be easy. It's not because I am teaching you should join here. Even if you choose this data analysis even with another trainer also, you choose this data analysis because I can see that you guys did a lot of hard work in your past years. Many one have failed there and came here, they are happily settled. After few years getting experience, really you wanted to choose coding, you can still go, but at least work 3 4 years here, right? So see, Pooja and everyone, end of the day, no, all matters is your money and job satisfaction. These two things matters. It's not which role and what it is. If you're satisfied with your job, then that's a very good thing. Right? Even 1 or 2 lakhs package is less, also that's fine. Peace of mind is enough for us, right? So, like,
Yes, madam. But whatever she said, that is true also because of many developers are many develop many
frustrated.
developers. Yes, sorry, many developers are out of the job due to the AI and ML will be introduced and Python introduced. The thing is,
Correct.
once Python will become, then traditional Java developer they don't have a job because new frameworks are upcoming. Right? Only core
Correct.
Java, advanced Java is not enough, and even Python also only core Python is not enough. NumPy, Panda, and this advanced level framework need to be knowledge, right? So that is
Hmm.
everywhere, but tools that is assumed 10 years 20 years ago
It
people
will
are
be there.
using the
Correct.
Microsoft, yeah, Microsoft Excel they are using. So same thing 1 2 3, that is Lotus, that is the background Microsoft Excel, Lotus 1 2 3. So still people are
Hmm.
using the Excel and advanced Google data sheet, Google Excel. So these tools are never be changed. So that is true.
Perfect.
This field
Perfect.
is very
Yeah.
good. Data
As a
science is
trainer,
very
I
good.
should
Yeah,
have
that is
told, but
true.
you are saying it.
You're
It's
right.
very good.
Yeah, you're right. And
Yeah.
Python, that is 80 percentage. If you know the thoroughly code to advanced Python, then usually you can manage data science or data analytics. These are all the tools only. And more
Yeah,
data, big
it
data.
is
Yeah,
also involved. Correct.
yeah, that is
So,
true. Data cleaning, that Python is very easy to data cleaning purpose because some of the Excels, so they can clean, but in Python, I started learning by myself Python core. So that's I realized is very powerful.
correct, Mehul.
Yeah.
So one more thing is, guys, as Mehul has highlighted one thing, that is Microsoft company. Correct. We are seeing
Yeah.
Excel from when? From our childhood days. Today you
Yes.
can
Yes.
see Excel is subscription place it is. It has been uploaded like 2003, 2007, and again I think 16, sorry, 13, then 2016, 19, 21, and now it's a subscription. Like how you subscribe monthly or yearly or monthly or Hotstar, he's earning. So Microsoft company has upgraded its tools very much nice. And this Power BI desktop, this Power BI also
That
belongs
is
to where?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. And one more strategy what this Microsoft company did, he released this tool. It's a competitor for Tableau tool. You know, it's a competitor. First business intelligence tool in the market is Tableau, but this Power BI become a competitor to Tableau. Why? Because Power BI he released this tool at very lower price. So his Excel was free for us, right? Now this Power BI license is very lower price when you compare to Tableau. That's where many businesses are migrating from Tableau to Power BI, and it same happened in my organization too. It has taken lot of struggled a lot to migrate because it's a historical data. Also, we are supposed to migrate all those reports. It's been a very much tough, but once the migration is done, we make those dashboards live and everything is good. Now the organization is in peace and happy because they are paying very less amount for this when you compare to your Tableau. Okay, so just so whatever the tools you're learning today is going to be there next 10-15 years. What Mehul highlighted is correct. So
Yes. Yes.
Pooja,
Even a SQL Server is also Microsoft product.
Microsoft.
Microsoft SQL Server.
Coming
Yeah.
to cloud, Azure is there.
SSRS, SSIS. Those are all the reporting tools. After Power BI comes, so the SSIS reporting, SSIS,
Yeah.
SSRS. These are Microsoft SQLs.
Yes. So that's all, guys. Then, anything else is there? We can connect tomorrow and we'll
Um,
ask your doubts.
ma'am?
One second, Pooja. Shrikant has been asking from 10:30.
Okay.
I'll answer him. Is there a work from home for data analyst? Shrikant, to be frank, 2%, 5%, we can try. Especially if you're a fresher, or means even you are having experience, but you're freshly joining to that organization, very rare case. But hybrid is there. Hardly you have to go either 2 days in a week or 3 days in a week. Hybrid mode is a trend now for every organization. Right. So if you are completely expecting work from home, no, you have to be ready for hybrid. If it comes work from home, it's our luck. Okay, Shrikant, I
Yeah,
Okay.
answered.
sometimes it's available work from home, but sometimes it's fake also. They're getting a job for
Maybe,
money also. Yes.
yeah, within
So
some
going,
days. Now
yeah,
mine
some
is
days
work from home.
hybrid.
How much experience I have in that organization, they trust, and it's not easy for them to give work from home because they have rules and regulations. I also travel at least 1 day in a week, 2 days in a week. I manage my trainings and I travel. I have to attend, I have to go, swipe my card. It's important. It's a rules kept,
Yes,
right?
security purpose
Every
they require that.
security purpose, every
Yeah.
organization have to show your face into their, at least for meetings you have to meet up. There are many things are there, Shrikant. So be ready for it. I'm saying, guys, don't expect work from home and join this course. Be ready for it, everyone. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Pooja. Okay, thank you, Shrikant. Pooja, can you ask your question, please?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, as you said, as I said that we both are passed out from same batch. We are actually 2019 pass out.
Mm.
Can we get a data analyst job as a fresher?
As a fresher also you get, but if you put experience, that's gonna be more easy for you guys. You'll get as a fresher also, no problem, but more opportunities will be there if you put your experience. But I can see your friend doesn't have any experience certificates, but still fine. What we'll do, we'll at least arrange some intern for him and we'll start applying for a job. Okay? That's
Uh,
what we manage in your friend's case.
means can we both get internship certificate from
Yes, you can also get. Why
institute?
not? You not from this institute again. This is an institution, right? Institution, you will get course completion certificate. Internship is you are supposed to get from an organization, right? So for that, there are different organizations. I will suggest after you completed the course, there you can get the certification. You have something called intern shala, even Naukri also giving, I guess, right? So you can get certification. It's easy. Okay. Yeah.
But ma'am, they charge money for that, and as I know, for the experience, like more than 3 years of experience, the organizations charge
But you're keeping
20,
internship, right? Not
20 to 30.
experience, right?
Yeah, but uh, for 3 plus years of experience, they charge like 20 to 30K, and for internship, I I don't know about
You
internship.
don't have to get into all those things, Pooja. I'll help you out without you don't have to get into fake certifications and all, right? I'll help you out
Hmm.
how to get a job without this. Don't invest your money in wrong thing. Invest your money in upgrading yourself. If possible, after this, you try to invest your money in getting a cloud or something. Don't worry, placements I will be taking care based on your profile. Okay, because that's where no people join institutions. DurgaSoft will also give you placements. Okay.
Yeah,
Madam,
ma'am, that.
DurgaSoft will be a placement for the within India, right? Like any Bangalore,
Correct.
Mumbai,
Correct.
or Delhi. Okay. But how many?
Yeah.
5 years experience or 10 years experience? Any
It
kind of
depends
background?
upon
I
it will keep on
profile.
coming, no? Yeah,
Okay.
everything they'll even show for 8 years also. But
Okay.
how the openings are there, they are going to forward you. If you're
Okay.
matching well suitable for that profile, you go and apply it.
Okay. So interview will
That's
be
how it
conducted
is.
via video call, right? Skype interview, and later 2 3 rounds maybe
Yes.
walk in interview. Okay.
Yeah, this interview session discussion we'll do after the session classes will get over.
Okay. Okay. No
Mehul.
problem.
Okay.
Okay. No.
So
Ma'am,
guys, mhm.
as you said that I don't want to put any fake experience or any fake certificate. That's true,
Yeah,
actually.
if any employer asking for the money, then you have to stop it because of I know that many people are 25,000 they spend it and they don't get any job. So that is
Yeah.
reason. Any
Don't
employer,
do
any
it,
client,
guys.
or any vendor, or even though if a US vendor they are asking money, oh, we will give you training and $500, but they don't have a project or anything.
Yeah, there are actually
So
fake
yeah,
organizations
yeah,
are
yeah.
there.
So you have to stop with conversation to those vendor or client. If they said they promise you for giving you job, so there is no job. So they are interested only for money getting. They don't
No,
have a
no.
project. Yeah,
Yeah, there are fake
yeah,
organizations are
yeah,
there. They only provide us a fake certifications about fake certificates about experience, like how much experience we want, and they
So,
don't give a
guys,
guarantee
Pooja, I
about the
wanted to
job.
tell you one thing. Immediately, I have a session regarding this. We can also discuss tomorrow. Okay? Anything more
yeah,
Mm,
important? Okay. It's a straight answer. We don't have to keep any fake certificates. Okay. I'll assist you the other way. So, anything else for the day, guys?
yeah. No matter. Only
No?
resume when whatever they
Everything is
elaborate the
taken care.
project. Yeah, everything. Yeah, whatever they explain the project in your resume, that is worth. Certificate, nobody's are checking how much certificate because Microsoft certificate those are also fetch like MCSD or MCSE in the past years. But only experience, real time experience or fake experience, so how you handle the interview and how you survive after the getting job, that is most important. On my experience, what I explained, so that is clear.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for
Okay.
the day, everyone. Sorry, don't
Yeah,
mind.
yeah, sure.
10:30, I have a
Okay, thank you,
session,
madam.
but
Yeah, yeah,
again, I
thank you, madam.
extended
Yeah, have a
30
nice day.
minutes. Okay, so Pooja, Shrikant, Amir, Saurav still have any doubts, even Mehul. Tomorrow also we have session, right? Tomorrow 30 to 40 minutes will complete whatever I wanted to say theory. Then again I'll give
Sure,
you
sure.
time to talk. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Take care. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. Bye.